Hello students, in this lecture we are going to cover the revenue concept. In the last lecture we have seen the cost concept. Now we are going to study the revenue concept. So let's begin with that. The term revenue refers to receipt. It is nothing but the receipt obtained. In the cost we have seen that it is the cost of production. Now in the revenue concept we are going to see, for example, if he has sold 4 Cadbury's, 4 dairy milks at rupees 10 per each. So after selling 4 units at rupees 10 per, whatever the amount he is getting, that is called revenue. So it is total receipts obtained by firm from the sale of certain quantity of a commodity at a given price. See, given price is 10, sale of certain quantity means 4 quantity, and whatever the amount he has received, that is revenue. The concept of revenue is, again we have same in the average, in the total cost, in the cost we have seen total cost, average cost, marginal cost. In the same manner we are going to study TR, AR and MR. TR stands for total revenue, AR stands for average revenue, and MR stands for marginal revenue. So let's see TR concept. You have to remember this formula. TR is equal to price into quantity. Just now I have shown you, I have sold 4 Cadbury's at rupees 10 per each. So price into quantity, I will get whatever the amount I have received, and that is nothing but the TR, total revenue. Remember this formula. Total revenue is the total sales proceeds of a firm by selling a commodity at a given price. It is the total income. So 40 is our income. Total revenue is calculated by formula price into quantity. I hope you are understanding. Total revenue means total receipts. At what price, how many quantities he has sold, by multiplying both, you will get whatever he has received. Next, average revenue. Now see average revenue. Average, like average cost, total cost divided by units, same way total quantity divided, so that you will understand on an average per unit how much I am getting. For example, in my example, we have seen that total revenue is 40 rupees as he is selling 10 rupees for quantity. So he is getting rupees 40. So total revenue is 40. Total quantity we know 4 Cadbury's. So if you divide it, you will understand per head how much he got. Same way TR upon TQ. Remember the formula. It is the revenue per unit of output sold. It is obtained by dividing the TR by number of units sold. Then the last concept is marginal revenue. It is formula runs in the same manner. That is MRN is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1. Okay, here suppose a firm received total revenue 5,000 from sale of 10 fans. So total revenue after selling 10 fans is how much? 5480. By selling 11, it is 5,000, and by selling 11 units, total 11 units, he is getting 5480. Understand one more time. After selling 10 fans, total revenue is getting 5,000. After selling 11 fans, so last unit, my last unit is 11th unit. Okay, so I will write marginal revenue of 11th unit is equal to total revenue of n. Total is 11. TR 11 minus 1 is 10. So TR11 is how much? 5480. It is already given. TR10 5,000. So whatever the difference is there, that is the exactly revenue received by selling 11th unit. Understood? So we have, in this video, we have seen three concepts, that is TR, AR, MR. If you have understood properly TC, AC, MC, in the same manner they work. Marginal means extra, one more addition. Suppose after selling 11 units, I am getting total revenue, and after selling 10 units, whatever the amount I am getting, that is uh, total revenue. But after selling exactly, I have to find out 11th, one more after, म्हणजे 10 विकल्यावर वन मोर ऍडिशन केली, दॅट वन मोर ऍडिशन मुळे 11 झाले, पण एक्झॅक्टली 11 मधनं किती मिळाले? Understand this concept. After selling 11 units, after selling 10 units, हा जो गॅप आहे that is 11th unit or that is marginal unit. 10 सेल केल्यावर 11 सेल केल्यावर काय मिळालेलं आहे, that is marginal revenue. You have to remember the formula. They may ask you the distinguished type. Okay, so TR, AR, MR. TR says total, whatever you have revenue received, income received. Average says per unit. Marginal says whatever the revenue you get after adding one more unit. I hope you have understood everything. These concepts, most probably they will ask you in distinguished type. Thank you, students.